Is there actually a best time of the year to start a cleaning business? The answer is unequivocally yes. There is a gold rush that exists, and I'm going to explain it. I'll back it up so you understand that I'm not fear mongering you here. I'm telling you the best time to start, why it's now, why you need to go ahead and trust me by the end. You're going to be motivated to do so quickly. If you haven't gotten your copy yet, I'm going to discontinue it soon. Grab your copy, it's free. Don't want a penny from you. Second link in the description, the $5,000 client playbook. Very, very good read for you. All right, so brass tacks, the gold rush. What is this? Is it real? Is there a best time to start? You betcha. The best time to start is now, November, December. Best time. Why is that? Well, it's because by far the most money moves in the commercial cleaning space. It happens to be Q1 of every year. Why is that? Well, they're 12-month contracts, and most people's contract tends to be up. A lot of people are January, February, March, April even, it just seems to be top of mind, right? Just think about it. We're still in the winter, but we're heading towards spring. We're heading towards warmer month. The holidays are behind us. People want the fresh office, right? That's why these contracts tend to, a lion's share of them tend to be made of the money. The bulk of it, a lot of it tends to be made in Q1. Does that mean you're not going to make money Q2, 3, and 4? No, absolutely not. But the way I've always looked at it is there is a little bit of a drop. Now, some industries, like if you were selling to schools, you're going to get a big boom end of summer, right? So Q3 for certain accounts are going to be massive, but Q1 for everyone is always massive, right? I have people in my program who you just know, they just, they're going to hit their big boom. They're going to hit their big boom 25, 30K in volume within a, 2 to 3 month period. And again, it's just when people are top of mind with it. That's why it's powerful. And that's why I'm like trying to get you with a hot poker. Like, come on, do it. Start your business. If this is a dream of yours, if building this asset on the side, if getting commercial contracts the right way, the right commercial contracts, is this something you want to do? Don't wait. And I understand why people don't. I get it being a family man myself. You think, oh, I don't really have time. It's not really the season. Maybe I'll start in January. If you start in January, it's already too late. Does that mean you won't make money? No, you'll make money, but you won't make nearly as much. Why? Because January is fuego. So why is this? Am I pulling this out of my backside? Well, I have a decade plus of experience and also having the ability to mentor over 500 people quit their 9 to 5s to build successful cleaning businesses. It's just through time in and time again, you see it over and over again. So now I come on YouTube to hopefully encourage you, motivate you, inspire you to get this thing rolling. So why though? Why is the benefit now? If Q1 is when the magic is, why would I start in November or even October? October, November, December, what's the magic there? The magic there is when you market to people before they're ready, you have a strategic advantage over the competition who is sleeping, who is completely sleeping. I know my competition is sleeping right now. I'm not worried about it. I'm staying top of mind, right? I'm getting to them when they're not thinking about it yet. This is the perfect time. This is the perfect advantage. Because now, if I impress them in this period and I can build some trust with them because I'm speaking their language, then even if I'm a complete beginner, I have an edge because I'm talking the talk, right? I'm showing them that I could walk the walk, and I'm talking to them in a time where not a lot of people are talking to them. A lot of people turn their marketing off because if you're doing some type of advertising with ads and everything, it's expensive. It's much more expensive now in this season, right? Just everyone's running Black Friday deals. So if you're running Google ads, Facebook ads, etc., you're getting crushed right now. Or if you're going door to door, people are busy. They're stiff arming you. You're cold calling. You're stiff arming. I don't got it. Call me after the holidays. Call me after the holidays. But when you do what we do, I'm talking about real persuasion, direct mail, the magic in that. You get to change minds. You get to change hearts. You get people to see you as completely different. And this happens even when you're brand new. So strike now. You have to. You have to go now. Sacrifice an hour a day. to build that business you want. Could you imagine sitting here, in April, right? End of April, around my birthday, you're sitting here and you're like, I cannot believe what I just did. I landed 4 high ticket clients, and $5,000 or $6,000 a pop, over $20,000 a month. I'm able to put like 8 or 9 of that in my pocket to send cleaners. That's the magic. That is the magic. So if you've been sleeping on this, and if you're like, yeah, I'm gonna get to this in January, stop procrastinating. You're hurting yourself. Get rolling right now. This is a State of the Union address. That's why there's no fancy edits. I'll get back to those videos shortly. Make it happen. You can do this. Okay? You can absolutely do this. I have plenty of videos on my channel to help you do this. But if you're someone who does want to skip the line, you want the systems, you want the machine built for you, because we could do that too. Click the first link in the description. Talk with my team. See if it's a fit to work together. For everyone else, watch this video right here. Please don't wait. Please take advantage. I want you to win big time. I'll see you on the next one.